Today we are going to learning about the how to create tally masters. First we're going to check what are the masters we can create. Just go to create. Let's see here, show more. See here, accounting master, inventory master, statutory masters we can create. Okay, so now what is the groups we have available in accounting master? Group, ledger, cost center, cost category, cost center classes, currency, rate of exchange, budget, scenarios, voucher types, credit limit. This we can create. And coming to inventory masters, stock group, stock category, stock item, units of measurements, godams, price levels, price list for stock group, price list for stock category. These masters we can create. Also we can create statutory masters, GST reconciliation registration and GST classifications. Also we can provide our company details like GST number and PAN CIN details. This we should have to create. We can provide the all the details. Okay, in merchant profiles, it's a payment request merchant profiles. Also we can create payroll masters, employee category, employee group, employees, units of works, attendance type, pay heads, payroll voucher types. Also we can create TDS, TCS, VAT, tax units, excise duty, excise classifications, excise book. Okay, you can here see here TDS details, TCS details, VAT registration details, payroll statutory details, excise registration details, service tax details, sen VAT openings, PLA opening balances, dealer excise opening stock, excise opening balance. We can see all these the masters. See, accounting masters, inventory masters, payroll masters, and also statutory masters. Okay, we have four type of masters. One is accounting master, inventory master, payroll master, statutory master. We can just see here, hide inactive means it's showing some less masters. Just show inactive also means payroll masters. So we are not activated payroll statutory. So that's the reason this is hide. We can enable this payroll details. It can be highlighted in statutory, TDS, TCS, excise duty, service tax. Okay, this we can enable also. So just we are going to discuss once again how many type of masters we can create in tally. Just create, go to open the tally and select your company, create. See here, accounting masters, inventory master, statutory master, and we have shown the less masters here. Then go to show more, just enter, you can get more options. Then show inactive also, you can enter the inactive. It will show the all the masters whatever available in tally. So you will get all the masters details here. Okay, accounting masters, inventory master, payroll master, statutory master. Now we are going to accounting masters. In accounting masters, what we have: group, ledger, cost category, cost center classes, currency, rate of exchange, budget, seniors, voucher types, credit limits. So first, one by one we can go to explain everyday one class. Now we are going to discuss about groups. Just enter groups. We have here showing group creation under, and group behave like a subledger, net debit credit balance for reporting, used for calculation. For example, taxes discount for sales invoice entries, Method of allowed when users used purchase invoice. So we are showing like this. Then we have the option F11. See here, show more features: accounting, inventory, taxation, online access, others. What are we are getting on the before the screen? What we are here is enabled. That details we will get from there. See here, yes, yes, yes. Inventory masters we have got it. Accounting master we got it. In taxation only we have got it GST. See here, remaining thing is no, means we are not getting any details from there. If yes, we will get these details. See here, enable multiple addresses, enable payment request, link QR code. This QR code printed in sales invoice. Mark modified vouchers. If your any changes voucher is changing, it will be highlighted that voucher. Okay, whatever you require you can change it. Wait, F11 screen. This is the F11 screen. You can change it. Okay, now I am going to create one group. For example, we have how many group? First we can check how many groups we have. Just go to chart of accounts, groups. See here how many groups we have. Total 31 groups we have. Branch divisions, capital account, reserve surplus, sales accounts, current assets, bank accounts, cash in hand, deposit, loans and advance, stock in hand, statutory debits, sales to AP, current liabilities, duties and taxes, provisions, sundry creditors, direct expenses, indirect expenses, fixed assets, indirect expenses, indirect incomes, investments, loans and liability, bank OD accounts, security loans, unsecured loans, miscellaneous expenses, assets, purchase accounts, expenses to purchase, sales account, suspense account. This is a total 31 groups. Okay. For example, I want to create a group. Where should I create? We can create, for example, we take the cash in hand. Cash in hand is the primary group. It's under current assets. But in cash in hand, we want to create one group. It will be maintained for separate. For example, we are going to asset. We are going to cash in hand. For example, we take the one country name, that is India. Under cash in hand, we already created one cash in hand. In cash in hand, we can create maintain for Indian cash in hand details. When you are going to create then a group, you should have to give the no, because of if you are giving the cash in hand group behave like a sub ledger. If you go on the yes, it will treat as a ledger. But when you are going to give the no option, it will treat as a group. Okay. Method of allocating by using purchase invoice. By value, you can create by value. Okay. Now we can create cash in hand USA. Now we can select cash in hand. Because of this, US is separate country, India is separate country. Where should we can maintain separate. Okay, cash in hand UK. Like this you can create. Then we are going to create ledger. We already created cash in hand groups. Then you can go to check cash in chart of accounts groups, where it can shows cash in hand India, UK, USA. We three groups are we are created. So it's just here. This is the primary group, secondary group, and it shows the primary group, secondary group. In secondary, we will get another groups. Just see here, current assets. In current assets, this is the primary group. Just function F, press F1, it will go to in details. In detail, you can select cash in hand, it will show you current assets, and cash in hand in India, it will shows under current assets. Okay, this is how to create your groups. Approximate what based on your requirement you can create your groups. Thank you for watching. We can learn about the ledgers in tomorrow class. Thank you so much.